welcome to my channel. I'm Mehak and in this video, I'll be showing you how I did this black smoky eye. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to start by using this black gel liner from Maybelline and apply it. You don't really have to be precise with the application because we will smudge this out afterwards. Now, using this small brush, I'll smudge out the liner. Taking this brown shade from the Patricia Bright palette, I'm going to apply it all over the lid. Using this pencil brush, I'm going to take this darker brown shade to create transition from black to light brown. Here, I'm just building up the intensity of all the shades. Using concealer, I'm going to sharpen up the outer corner. Now, I'm going to take black shade on this flat brush and apply it on my lower lash line and blend it out using brown shade. I'm going to add this golden glitter shade in the inner corner and then add black liner in my waterline. I'm adding these rhinestones all across my eye, but this is optional and you can skip this step. Adding mascara and that completes the look. Hope you liked this video and if you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe.